Hi guys.
I want to be all loud.
We're gonna die.
We'll turn it back on.
We'll literally die. What's up, guys? We are back with another video.
Dude, I look like trash.
Okay.
Oh, sorry.
Today is a very interesting video.
What'd you say?
Interesting. Today is a fun and interesting but kind of scary video.
Scary.
Tell
Why
them.
is she saying scary? It's gonna be so controlled. It's gonna be fine.
Okay,
so
I trust you 100%.
I am one of the only small percent 18-year-olds in the world who don't know or don't have their license because I am the youngest of 3.
2. We adopted her. Just kidding.
Anyways,
There's really only 2 of us.
I'm the youngest of 3, so when it came to my turn, they didn't need me anymore.
Shut up. So basically, she needs to learn how to drive.
Yeah.
She needs to get her license because I'm sick of driving you everywhere.
And I'm sick of her driving me everywhere.
So this is gonna be Tina learning how to drive. Hopefully, I'm a good teacher.
Yeah, we'll see how this goes.
Let's go.
Okay, bye.
What's the most important thing?
Ow. Stretching first.
No. Seatbelts. Check.
Checkity, check, check. Ew, dude, your mirrors are so dirty I can't even see out of them.
Dude, you wanna know why?
Wait,
I have the AC on. Do you think it's gonna be okay?
I don't know.
I'm gonna die if we don't keep it on.
Look, guys. How am I supposed to see out of that?
Because hold on. The sprinklers turn on and it. You need to learn how to drive under these conditions.
You need to shut up.
Okay.
I don't know why you freaking lean like a cholo. Can you tell me that? She's like she's shorter than me, guys. Like, I don't know. What's that noise? Pennies.
No freaking way. No, don't do that yet.
What?
I'm like, no.
Guys, all I did was push on the brake and she freaked out.
Now you can take your foot off the brake. Cool. Okay. I put the brake on so you can take it off.
Oh my gosh. Stop to press the brake.
Hold on. I need to grab this. Update. We haven't left the driveway yet.
It's true. I get disconnected. I do not play sweet and spicy playlists often.
Do you know what you're doing?
I mean, no, but we're just gonna go. Okay, so here's a fun story. We have the longest driveway in the entire world. So I'm kind of nervous too.
I'm nervous too. Alright. Good job. Now the reason why this driveway is tricky is because it's like a, like a street, so cars come up this way. You just gotta look. Sometimes I almost ran someone over, like they were going on a walk, and I was like, "I'm so sorry, I didn't see you there." That's good. That's good. That's good.
Where are we
Just drive.
going exactly?
Just drive. Good job, Tina. Ooh. Ooh. She made a. Can't see you. She made a full stop, you guys. Are you so proud of yourself?
Okay, so fun fact: the person who teaches me how to drive the most is my aunt Tanya. And she makes me take a full stop because she's like, I want you to drive the same way you'd have to drive on your test, so that way I'm not like being all like reckless while I'm like driving.
Mm-hmm.
So she makes me take full stops. If I don't, she gets pissed. It's always weird getting back in the car after not driving for a while.
Yep. Elaborate for us.
Also, Mana's car, way nicer to drive.
It's
My
smooth as a
aunt
baby's butt.
has a Prius. And like, I'm not saying I hate it, but I'm saying that it's not convenient to drive. You feel like you're driving a toy car. That's literally the only way that I can explain
This one
it to
or
you.
the Prius?
The Prius.
Oh, yeah. So just make sure you stay. Yeah, good job. Wow, Wow, good job, Chris.
Thanks.
Ooh, the sun is shining. Do you need some sunglasses?
Should I just go around that way first?
Oh, never mind. You're wearing glasses. Yeah, go straight. Both hands on the wheel. We don't have time for you to cover your mouth like that.
I'm shooketh.
Yeah, me too, actually.
They hate me. But at this point, who doesn't hate me? Sorry, babe. I'm going before you get over here.
Yeah, you're good.
No, I've got the time
And
to wait
then
for you.
take a right.
A right?
Oh yeah, you can go straight if you want. Whatever you want. A right?
I was gonna say.
Yo, the sun though.
Yeah, it's pretty bad.
Do you need sunglasses or are you good?
No. Look, this car right here is gonna get mad at me because Honey's gonna make a full stop. You know what? This thing doesn't help it. I mean,
Watch out, this car.
I know.
There's a dog. Stop for a
Oh.
minute. Just stop.
Hi, bud.
You know, that's really not necessary. I don't know if you guys can see that, but there's a little dog on the road, and bad timing because Chris is trying to learn how to drive. Okay, so just.
I'm just gonna pass him. You know?
Yep, good.
We're gonna
Okay, go
pass
a little
him?
bit faster.
We're
Just
gonna
in case
pass
he-
him.
Yeah, there you
And
go.
We don't.
You're gonna go straight. When there's.
This car behind me thinks I'm turning, so
Okay, well.
I'm gonna turn.
Guess who you need to listen to at this time? Me. So if I want you to go straight, you're gonna go straight. All right. Now you're gonna go left.
There's nothing. It's a
I
dead end.
understand.
Okay. Going left.
Job. Now you're gonna make a U-turn.
U-turn. Okay, cool. Love that for me.
But
I know.
so stop. See, this is what happens when you don't listen to me. Now we have to make a U-turn.
Shut up. It's not even that big a deal.
Good job. I'm so proud of you. Wow, she's doing amazing, guys.
No one ever has faith in me. My dad's always like, I'm scared to drive with you. I'm like, Dad, I'm a great driver. If you just
Now go right.
with me, you would know that I know how to drive. I got this. I'm totally not confident at all. I'm like, I'm fine.
I got this. Chill. So what was I saying? Oh yeah, you're not supposed to stop when you see a dog on the road. You're just supposed to go and like just, I guess, run it
You're
over.
supposed to go and just run it over.
But at this time, it's because you were driving really slow already. So I was like, just stop. You
I'm
know.
not gonna run a dog over. Let's just be real.
And the car in front of us like stopped as well. So it was like, oh, we can do it at this moment. But if you're like driving on a highway or like
Yeah,
a road
but we're
that's, like,
in a neighborhood.
I understand that. But if you're driving like on a road that's like 60 miles per hour, you're supposed to just, which is so sad. I never want to run a dog over.
Either. Dad avoided a bunny the other day on the freeway. When we were on the
Really?
freeway,
That's
but
cute.
we were exiting the freeway. He avoided it. Dad's avoiding a bunny? Am I going left or right? Tell me now.
You're gonna be taking a left. You're taking a left because lefts are my favorite.
Everything you own in a box to the left. In my closet. That's my stuff, yeah. If I bought it, please don't touch it.
Could you walk and talk at the same time? And... You're good. Don't hit that Ford. It's really nice Ford.
I wasn't gonna hit it.
Please don't hit that car.
I had like barely gone.
All
Where am I
right. Right. Christina,
No.
you already know what we're doing. You can go left or right if you want.
Left or right?
Mhm.
I don't want to go left or right. I just want to stomp here. Can we just stomp?
No. No, girl. You're doing really good. Like, I'm saying really good. So what'd you do today?
What did I do today?
Yeah.
I woke up really late because I was so tired from this weekend.
You can go as slow as them if you want.
Dude, they're pushing.
What in the world? This is a left, but you don't have to go here if you don't want.
I
If
don't
you're
want to.
already cruising by it.
They're pushing like 2 miles an hour. So, you know. if
This
they're
chick's like, let me get in front of
pushing-
you.
She's like, I hate you. You're stupid. Freaking stupid butthole. I'm like, sorry.
So this is a stop sign, so stop because she's getting in front. Look at her. That is, you don't do that. You don't do that, Tina.
Also, maybe stop before the stop sign, not when you're in the middle of the road. Freaking
These
idiot.
people, I'll tell you what. Okay, so you woke up late.
Woke up late, and then I got up, and then I started cleaning my room.
Good. We love a clean room.
And then I read my Bible. Am I going straight or left?
You can go straight.
Started reading my Bible. It was a good time. We read Corinthians 11, and it was a good time.
Who's we read?
Me. I just want to say we because it's fun.
Okay.
Read Corinthians 11, and then tried doing work, but Wi-Fi, nothing was working. Couldn't check my email on the laptop. Couldn't respond to emails on the laptop.
I'm gonna take a left right here. So.
Oh! Dude, I can't believe they live right there. That's a trip.
That's a trip?
It's a freaking trip, dude. Straight up.
That's nice. I babysat. Got up at like 7. Babysat. Got home. I didn't really eat today though.
I haven't eaten anything.
I'm kind of hungry.
Because I was like, I don't know what Mana's gonna want to film today. What if she wants to? What if she wants to do? What if she wants to do mukbang?
Mukbang.
Also, I was working.
All right, the sun is just killing our vibe.
When I'm like working or reading, I don't eat.
Yeah.
What's the time?
Oh.
Oh.
Time with what?
I didn't know where he was going, so I just wanted to be stupid. Fun story time.
Driveway.
What?
Put it on park.
I couldn't see the P. It was way up there.
Story time with Tina. What did you want to share?
Story.
Pick it up.
Well, that was totally unnecessary for me to get in the driveway. Let's just go over that first because I didn't need to do that.
It's alright, girl. We all learn from our mistakes.
It was your mistake, but it's fine.
You really back out of that.
Have you ever seen the videos on YouTube of like how to drive?
Oh my gosh, yes, I watched those.
They're so funny. There was a video where it's like, go, well, like they was like showing a car like in a parking lot. They're like, go all the way back, and then turn. And I was like, you're never gonna have enough room to go all the way back. Freaking stupid. Anyways, so what was my story time? Oh, so I had a show on Sunday. Today is what's today? Tuesday. Today is Tuesday. I had a show on Sunday. And so I had to get makeup and hair done. And see, I don't wear makeup that often, so my skin stays relatively clean because of it. But because I had to, but they did makeup on me, so I freaking broke out, and I'm so mad.
But that was a good turn.
Thanks, babe.
But it was good that you knew there was a car coming, because what if they didn't stop at that stop sign?
Yeah. No, okay.
That would have been
One of the first times I ever like went driving. Okay, you can get faster, but I'm not going to. So just, I hope you know that. One of the first times I ever went driving, my aunt just threw me on the highway in San Diego. But there was this, we were in a neighborhood at first, and there was a stop sign, right? And it was my turn to go, and this freaking lady was on her phone, and she just went. And I was already in the middle, so like I couldn't do anything. So I just accelerated.
Wait, seriously?
Yeah.
Hold on, there's a car coming.
I accelerated and like swerved around her. And it was fun. I was able to test what I would do in a situation where cars weren't paying attention. Did I just freak out and stop? No. I didn't. I didn't just freak out and stop. That was bad.
Boring. Just kidding.
I'm gonna need you to support me, okay?
I'm kidding, girl. Girl, you're doing good. I love going in circles in our neighborhood.
Punch you in the face.
Oh.
That was a little scary, huh?
You needed to slow down a lot
I know.
more.
Yeah, that's fine.
Yeah, don't do that.
Yeah, maybe consider doing less. I took a picture. Oh, do you want to get in your own lane? No?
Left again. You really like your lefts, don't you? I can't see you.
Do you want me to go right? I'll go right.
That was scary.
What was it? Shut
I'm
up.
just kidding. You blocked that branch like a champ.
Oh.
I think so.
Here's a fun story, guys. If I don't get an appointment before like November 29th at the DMV, I have to retake my permit test because my permit's about to expire. So that's really fun. Fine. We're all doing great. Everything is great.
Good job, Chris. You're doing good. Let's go to Sonic and then we can come back and do some more.
Everything is fantastic, honestly. I don't really care how I'm parking right now because you're gonna get in the driver's seat.
That was good.
So yeah. Let's go to Sonic, guys.
Your turn.
Guys, we went to Sonic.
And now Christina is behind the wheel again.
Now I'm behind the wheel again. Now there's like 15 million cars coming, so now we have to wait. So that's super fun. Okay, do you want to drive any slower? Like, honestly, dude.
Road rage already, huh? Good job, Chris. Alright, so...
Went to Sonic, had some good conversation, had a good talk, spent some time, went on a date with each other.
Sister bonding.
Some nice sister bonding.
It was good for us. It was good for the soul.
It was good for the soul. It was good for the soul. Go, dude. You got there first. You can go. Guys, I'm fine. I don't have that much road rage, but sometimes I do.
That much. So, I mean, you almost ran over a dog, but other than that,
No, I didn't.
everything was okay.
I did not almost run over that dog.
Yeah, you did. Didn't even see it.
I saw it.
No, you didn't.
Okay, if I would have seen it, I would have just kept going. I would have slowed down and tried to avoid it. But you happened to see it before.
Yeah, nice. Nice and controlled, girl. That's what we like. Wow. Very, 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 very. I'm an idiot. I don't know why I say crap like that. I say shut up.
What were you gonna say?
I don't know.
Very impressed.
Yeah. You did good.
Thanks.
Wow, you look so cute. Just driving over there. Thanks.
Guys, I'm a very focused driver, okay? For the most part. Sometimes I get distracted. Not gonna lie. I don't wanna lie, because sometimes I do get distracted. And it could be bad. But for the most part,
Nice and easy.
I'm pretty focused. And,
Good job, sister.
thanks, boo-boo.
And stop.
See that stop?
Dang! Put the brake on too, might as well. You
We
did
put the
it.
brake on in
You
this
did
car.
it! That was good. I'm actually like very proud of you.
Thank you.
Well, guys,
I did it.
she did it.
I did not crash, run anything over. I avoided a stick.
She almost ran over a dog, but it was okay.
No, I didn't.
It was very controlled.
Stop saying that.
You almost did.
No, I didn't.
Yeah.
Sorry for the weird lighting this whole video. I know it was probably whack because of, you know, the sun. We couldn't do something earlier because she had work, so.
Sorry. I was being responsible.
Thanks so much for watching this week's video. This should be Wednesday's video, so I hope you enjoyed Wednesday's video. Oh wow, look at, she reversed into her, that was fast.
Oh, okay.
Oh, coming back out. She didn't get the right angle.
Anyways, please like this video, subscribe to us. Feel free to share it if you want. For not that embarrassing, you can share it with your friends and sorry, I didn't mean to swear.
It's fine.
With your friends and your family.
To be honest, I wasn't listening to anything you said. I started thinking about something.
I'm hungry.
Okay, thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you on Friday.